Good evening, everyone. Welcome to V2V Victory. For more updates, you can follow our channel in Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. So the links which are available in the description, just go through the description. You can find our links. And this is the second class related for TCS NQT numerical ability. So I already done one video numerical ability. So I discussed 10 different questions. I discussed 10 different questions in earlier video. If you missed that video, go and watch those videos which are available in the playlist. And we have many individual concept based both quantitative aptitude reasoning videos in our channel. Just go through that for your reference who are preparing for TCS NQT 2020. So without delaying, we'll start with the question number 1. Now see the information. See, a man has to travel 50 kilometers in 2 hours. He could 20 kilometers in 1 hour. Then he had to stop for 10 minutes for refueling. By what factor should he increases his speed with reference to that first hour, show able to complete the journey as per the schedule? See the information. There is a 50 kilometers. A person covered in 2 hours. See, if you want the average speed, for example, see average speed exactly equal to 50 kilometers in 2 hours exactly equal to 25 kilometer per hour. But our question not related for average speed. The question which is related for first to 20 kilometers. First to 20 kilometers, a person travel in 1 hour. Next, the person takes 10 minutes for refueling. Now, whatever that remaining 30 kilometers, so the person need to reach the destination as exact time. See, our duration is 2 hours, already done with 1 hour 10 minutes. So, remaining 30 kilometers, a person need to cover in 50 minutes. See, here 50 minutes means 50 by 60 means 5 by 6th of an hour. Now here for 30 kilometers, which is divided by 5 by 6th of an hour. So 5 become exactly equal to 6 times. The speed now we require 36 kilometer per hour. If initially person was moving 20 kilometer per hour, now the person is moving in 36 kilometer per hour. Here the question, by what factor should he increases means 36 we required. So previously 20. So we required 1 by 8 times of previous one. If we travel in that way, the person reach the destination as per the schedule. So you have to choose your option is 1.8. See the question number. Now see there is a calculation in percentages. Yeah. Just see the information. If x plus 10 percentage of 240, x plus 10 percentage of 240 is equal to 60 percentage more. 60 percentage more means now see 60 percentage value 3 by 5. So initially 5 units, now it is 3 units more. Now the total value is equal to 8 by 5 more than the x percentage of means x by 100 of 180. Now do one thing. See, don't convert it into fraction. Here 60 percentage more means 160 by 100. Then we can understand that 100 is cancelled. You can multiply. 240 into x plus 2400, which is exactly equal to 60 percentage more than x percentage of 180. See, yeah, and 160 plus x into 180, that is our value. Yes, 60 percentage is more value. Otherwise, you can do one thing, guys. If you want, if you're not interested for the value, see 60 percentage value, just do in this way. 160 percentage value become 3 by 5. So here x plus 10 into 240, which is divided by x into 180, which is exactly equal to 8 by 5. Why? Because this is 3 units extra. So you can cancel 63s are 64s are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are. So just cross multiply them. So 5x plus 50 is exactly equal to 6x. You can take equation based or ratio based. Here you can get the value of x is equal to 50. Now here 15 percentage of 50 plus 20 value becomes 70. Now 10 percentage value becomes 7. 5 percentage value is 3.5. Now the value is exactly equal to 10.5 units. Now again you have to find 25 percentage of 50. 1/4 of the value is equal to 12.5. Now here the question, definitely 10.5 value is less than 12.5 by 2 units. 2 divided by 12.5 into 100. So 12.5 become a 100 is exactly 8 times. So now the value become 16%. Now see the next question. Just read the information carefully. See, a fruit seller purchased 32 kg grape for 960. See, here the cost price of 32 kg is exactly equal to 960. So he dried them to make raisins and it would be able to sell raisins 65 per kg, but he can get 800 grams raisins for 1 kg of grapes. See, we dried for every 1 kg, the person get 800 grams. 800 grams means so 0.8. Now you can take those value as 8 by 10. Why? Because 8 by 10th of a kg. For 32, how much it is? So 32 into 8 by 10. Now identify the selling price. You already know that per kg is exactly equal to 65 rupees. Now you just cancel the number. 13 here, here, and it's a 2 times, it become 4 times. So finally see, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 128 into 13. See, so 24, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 3 ones are 3. Yeah, 8, 2, 1. So the person get here, see, 1664. See, observe that here the cost to price is equal to 960. Here the selling price exactly equal to 1664. So definitely the person earns a profit. So how much of profit it is? Yeah, here 40 units, here 664 units. So the total value is equal to see here we have a 40, here we have 664. The total value is equal to 704 units. Yeah, just observe the information that is most important part is. See how I'm taking the fraction, how I'm doing the multiplication is most important. Now see, here the profit of 704 rupees out of 960 into 100. Here you just cancel 0 0. Now both are exactly divided with a 4 by because last two digits is divisible by 4, the entire number is divisible by 4. We know the divisibility property. Now here, so here 4 twos are 8, 4 fours are 16, 24 times. Yeah. Again 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, we have a 30. 4 sevens are 28 and 4 six are 24, 176 times. Again you can cancel here by uh, 4 table. 4 fours are 4 six are 24. So 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16. Again it is 22 times. Again it is 3 times. So finally the value becomes 220 by 3. So 3 sevens are 21. 3 threes are 3 points. So exactly the answer is 73.33. 73.33% is the answer. Just observe the calculation part. So 73.33% is a profit. The question number 4. See, in a class of 25 students, 12 students have taken mathematics and 8 have taken mathematics and computer science. The number of students who have taken computer science but not mathematics. See here the information. So we have the total number of students. The total number of students we have 25. So everyone, each and every student can opt the one of the subject. Clear? So one is mathematics, another one is computer science. Now see, out of 25, 12 students are opted mathematics and 8 students opted computer science. Now see, 12 students opted mathematics and 8 students have taken mathematics and computer science means here the number which is related for combination. Now see, if the entire math circle is 12, now combination is 8, definitely the values become 4. We already know that sum of these values which is exactly equal to 25. Now see, here 8 plus 4 is equal to 2, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now only computer science value exactly equal to 25 minus 12 is equal to 13. So 13 members are chooses computer science, not mathematics. See, if you understand that the person takes computer science means it is only computer science. Remember, the space here 4 is represented for only maths. In the same way, this is the part which is represented for only computer science. So this is the region we are represented with both maths and computer science. Now see the next information. What is the sum which is divided among XYZ in the proportion 3 is to 5 is to 7? X, Y, Z provides a rupees of 8,000 rupees more to Z. If we provide 8,000 rupees more to Z, then what would have done to him to get the proportion of 11 is to 15 is to 19? So what is the final proportion? Now if you observe that here we are changing the only Z's proportion. Why? Because we are adding 8,000 rupees to the Z. If you observe that, see, sum of all these values, see, sum of all these values are 15 and sum of all these values are 45. So we have to equate both proportions. So how we can equate both the proportion means we should multiply these number with a 3. Now see, if you multiply with a value 3, it's a 9 units, 15 units, 21 units. Now we understand that here we are adding that value. See, we are adding that value. Now the proportion is changes. See, we are changing how many number of units here? 21 and 19 means 2 units. Here 2 units of change exactly equal to 8,000 rupees. Now each unit is exactly equal to 4,000 rupees. Here you have to identify that what is the total value. Here the total value is 45 units into 4,000. So the answer is 1,80,000. 1,80,000 rupees. You just see the question related for partnership concept here. See, here there is a person's Elan, Jeff, Bill together started a business where Elan invested. There is a person, Elan, invested 2,500 rupees for 8 months, and Jeff is invested for 2,000 rupees for 12 months, and there is another person, Bill, which is invested 6,000 rupees for 4 months. If the profit earned from the business is 1,360 rupees, what is the share of Jeff? First, identify the ratio of their distribution. Now, so you can cancel. Go for 5 table. 5 12s are 60. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Again see, 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8. Again you can cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 2 2s are. Finally, the respect to ratio is 5 is to 6 is to 6. That is our answer. For example, if I have a 17 rupees, see, we just calculate in this way. See how we can get 17 means 5 plus 6 plus 6. If I have a 17 rupees, so I have to pay 5 rupees for Ellen, 6 rupees for Jeff, and 6 rupees for Bill. Now, how much profit we have? See, as per the question, we have a profit of, see, 1360 rupees means 17 units value exactly equal to 1360. Now you just cancel. 7 become a 8. Now you can get the units plus 6. So it is exactly cancelled in 80 times. Now find the share of Jeff. See here, Jeff, we have to pay 6 units. 6 into 8 is equal to 480. Now remember, there is a one concept. It's a concept of together. Where you can see the common value or together concept means it is application of LCM. Application of LCM. See, we have a few theorems directly. First one is trolling bells. Where you can see the together signal lights, and circular races. Why? Because each and every concept we understand that way we can see together for at a time. See, together is a concept of LCM. So whatever the question related for bells, trolling bells concept or signal lights or any circular races, just identify the concept of LCM. Now there are three bells which ring simultaneously at 11 a.m. and they ring at a regular interval of 20 minutes and every 30 minutes and every 40 minutes. If you observe that the common numerical for 20, 30, 40 means we can see that every 120 minutes the all three bells are ring together. Now the question. See the time when all the three bells are together. See after 11 a.m. it takes 2 hours. So where you can see together exactly 1 p.m. At 1 p.m. all the bells are ring together. Just go through the each and every concept in entire quantitative aptitude and reasoning. Then only you can solve any question within the time. Keep going. Very good, Nanalekya. Now see here the divisibility property. See divisible property of 11C. Sum of odd places, difference, even places, value which is exactly either 0 or multiples of 11. If it is a 0, we can understand that odd places is equal to even places. See, there is a number C. See here the value become 2 plus a plus 4 which is exactly equal to y because if you thought that it is equal to the 0, sum of odd places value exactly equal to sum of even places only. So the next number C 5 plus 6 plus b. Here we have to find the difference of a minus b. So a minus b value become 11 minus 6. So you can choose that option. It's a simple one 5. If you know the divisibility property you can get this answer. Next here the diamond work concept. Now see work can be completed by ABC in 12 days, 15 days, 24 days. There is a person, if I assign for A, it takes 12 days. For B, it takes 15 days. For C, it takes 24 days. See here the total work. Here the total work, the LCM of 12, 15 and 24. 120 units of work. If I assign for A, it takes 12 days. Means the person completed 10 units per day. If I assign for B, the person was doing 8 units per day. If I assign for C, the person was doing 5 units per day. Now here the information says A started the work and worked for 2 days. See, A starts the work, A worked for 2 days. Every day the person completed 10 units. In 22 days, the person completed 20 units. Now B is joined with A. As per the data, B joined with A. Together they worked for 5 days. If both are working for 5 days, again we understand that both are completed 18 units per day. 18 units per day, they are completed 90 units. Now C completed the remaining work alone. Find the time taken by C to complete the remaining work. See, out of 120 units, in 7 days, they already completed 110 units. So we left with only 10 units. And these 10 units done by C alone. So you already know that she completed per day 5 units. For 10 units, it takes only 7 days. See, question related for total work how many days it will completed means initially 2 days, then 5 days, last 2 days. So it takes how much of time? 9 days of work. But my question, the remaining work is completed by C. So how much time does it take means it's exactly 2 days. Right? 2 days. Very good. And this is for you guys. You just try this question. See here, the work done by x minus 1 men in x plus 1 days and work done by x plus 1 men in x plus 2 days in the ratio of 5 is to 6. So find the value of x. Again, it is a question related for time at work. And just try this question and post your answer in the comment section, guys. If you want this PDF, you can follow me at the rate of V2VBK in Telegram. You can find our channel link and you can download this material from my channel, guys. And if you have any queries and doubts, you can feel free to reach me. Then I will take your queries, guys. So we're done with the two sessions on TCS NQT numerical ability. And just share this information to your friends who are preparing for NQT examination. And maximum, I will take every day live at 7:30. Maximum, I will try, guys. Yeah. So until the next session, have a nice day. Take care. Good night, guys.